Show you how to replace a steering column control module. Super easy. All right, so first, obvious one. And then we are going to use this tool and get right in here. And there we go. Pop it. And take that off. And just to show you guys what I'm trying to press on, you can see I go in. You can see that I go in through there. It touches right there. That spring. See it? See that? When you move that spring, it releases the airbag. So you do that on both sides, you can get the airbag out. Remove the 2 electrical connectors as well. Now with the 24, you can remove the steering wheel. All right, and now we just have to release these tabs. Remove this, set that to the side. Here we need to remove all of these electrical connectors. 1, 2, 3. There should be another one up here. And now we'll get a special little socket and get up in there. Remove that. See, release the tab right back here. You can see it right there. It's the black one. And this comes out. Just like that. And here's the new one. We're gonna throw this puppy right back on there. Just like that. Boom. And now we'll throw the bottom one on. Just like that. Throw the bottom one on. Clip them into place. And there you have it. Now we get to throw the steering wheel back on it. Steering wheel will go right in the same place that we took it off. There you go. Put the connectors back in.